Here's my garden. But what I really want to show you is this fence I made out of pallets and fence posts. It's held together by pallets and fence posts. And that's it. No nails, no wires, nothing else here. So let me set the camera up and I'll kind of show you how I put it together. Okay, so this is kind of like a little gate right here. And so just kind of pull it out. You can kind of see I'm using these slats right here as a little to kind of guide it down the posts. This guy right here is in there pretty good. All you gotta do is just kind of find the mark. You set your pallet up first. Kind of find the mark, and then beat this in. And then you're gonna have to kind of bend this back. That way, once you have it in there, there's a little pressure, kind of holding it together. And on this side, you can see how I kind of layered them a little bit, and then you got the post in between. And then here, where it shifts a little, they're still layered. They hold together real nicely. And even on like a really tight angle like this, it still holds together real nice. And all you gotta do is tack a couple of nails in there if you want it to be secured a little bit more. And over here, held that pretty nicely. Well, this guy is actually held on from this guy, kind of woven there, but that's a whole other thing. Anyways, that's my pallet fence. Hope you like it. Just, you gotta find a lot of pallets, I guess.